Hi, this is Peter with HTP America. Today I'm presenting you our new MIG 2800i. This is the machine we've been waiting for, you have been waiting for, and we have been waiting for years. This machine has some big shoes to fill, like the legacy of the famous MIG 2400, the transformer machine that we had that everybody loved, that had perfect power levels. This one here is a 300 amp machine running on a 50 amp wall outlet. And what we did is we made it just like a transformer machine. You have one knob for wire speed, one knob for voltage, then you have a door chart in here, flip it up, look in there, get your settings right, weld your wire 030, 35, 45, steel wire, flux cord wires, whatever you want to do. Easy polarity reversal on the outside of the machine, just like the MIG 2400. It just weighs half as much and has 25% more power. So this is the one we all have been waiting for. And if you're a little bit more into the high technology of the high technology products, so you have not just the manual MIG setting, you have some programs here too that you can pick for aluminum and stainless, if that's what you would like to do. Then you have a stick welding program and a gouging program. This way it gives you the ability to tackle a variety of jobs, because when you have a trucking company, an excavation company, or a welding shop and you need to take stuff apart, you need to do some joint prep and gouge something out, you can do it all with this machine. From gouging, joint prep, welding, it's all in one. So the idea behind this is to make this a very versatile workhorse for your shop. So I'm going to show you some internals here. We have a window here so you can see how much wire you have left on your spool. You have the ability to run 8 and 12-inch spools all the way up to 44 pounds. You have a 4-roller drive setup here for steel, for your knurled, for aluminum. You can change the drive rolls. And you have a perch button and an inch button in here. You also have a USB port to potentially upgrade software in the future. In the front, you have your remote control port here, and there's an option for another gas port here. You can set this machine up with solid wire or cord wire on the main feeder, and then have a spool gun here connected permanently, dual tank holders where you can switch between spool gun aluminum and main feeder steel in a blink of an eye. So you can really tackle every job you want to do with this machine. The weight on this is about 140 pounds. It ships truck freight. A standard NEMA 6-50 plug for the wall. All right, thank you for watching. Check out our Instagram, Facebook, and the website for any updates. See you later.